guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Saniksha Agnani. I post tutorials here on a weekly basis. Sometimes I upload 2 tutorials in a week. Today's tutorial is a hair tutorial where I show you how I use my Airwrap by Dyson to curl my hair. If you're new here, then please don't forget to press the red button and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not new and not subscribed yet, then don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. Using my awesome Dyson Airwrap. So as you can see, I have the Dyson Airwrap with all the connections. This includes a regular hair dryer, a roller brush. This is my favorite. I use this the most to blow dry my hair. It gives amazing volume. And then there's this brush cum dryer, and there is one more brush cum dryer. Very handy for like a quick blow dry. And then comes the rollers to create curls. So this is the small size and this is the large size. And as you know, it comes in this amazing leather box. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So to get the perfect curls, you have to make sure your hair is wet. I'm just gonna blow dry it a bit using this comb just to remove the frizz out a bit. I'll probably blow dry for like 3 minutes. So I've sectioned my hair into 2 sides and I've already put the extension with the brush. There's a lock button here, just unlock it, hit the button and you'll hear a click. Switch it on. I'm keeping it on highest on both the sides and I'm just gonna dry it. So that's it. It's still quite wet and I need it to be wet to get long-lasting curls. So I'm going to start curling now by taking sections. I'm going to take a section from here, the lowest part, this one. I'm taking smaller sections because my hair is really fine. So I prefer taking smaller sections so the curls are tighter, so they last longer. And because I don't have any bleach in my hair, again, it doesn't stay really long. But if you have bleach in your hair, it's gonna stay like forever. Now comes the curling part, which one to choose. So if I take this curl, I have a mirror in front of me. I'm gonna look at the mirror. So this arrow is pointing towards my right. So this curl is for my right and this arrow is turning to my left. So I'm gonna keep this for my left side. So as I'm starting from my left side first, with the left one, I'm gonna switch it on and put the one under my hair. So this section is done. What I like about the Airwrap is that it gives air to my roots. So my roots are gonna look lifted and there'll be more volume. Unlike the normal curling iron that doesn't give any air to the roots. So usually that makes it look flatter. So I'm gonna continue doing the next. I'm using a tail comb to remove the next section. It is a bit difficult doing it without a mirror. I'm just gonna take another small section from back first. Curl it for 20 seconds each time. As I told you, my hair is really very fine, curls don't stay for long. So I'm gonna just put this Max Hold spray. I got this from Amazon. Remember to keep a distance. I'm just spraying it on the curls. don't forget to change this. It's a bit hot, so be careful. And I'm gonna fix the next one. I'll do the same thing. Take the hair from behind, clip this one off. Now for this one, it's the other way around, okay? You'll figure it out once you start doing it. You can just adjust it the way you want to. It's gonna tame down a bit and it's gonna look a bit more settled. You can set it the way you want to. If you want middle parting, side parting, whatever you want. And if you see a few curls which are not done, just do it again. So yeah, that's how I curl my hair using my Airwrap by Dyson. Hope you liked the tutorial and don't forget to subscribe and comment before you leave. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my tutorial. See you soon.